Right folks, I'm going to try something I've never done before. I've only watched a video or two on YouTube. I'm trying to make a chain for this 404, 070, it's all numbers. And I cut down what was an 881 chain, a 404 chain, 0.63. And I've got what I think's the right number of links, but I'm now going to try and peen over with the correct tool. The ball peen hammers, that was my grandfather's, that was my father's, so we're getting plenty of out of him. He was a master peener. I bought some links off eBay, Stihl links. Oh, I've not checked them in. My well, that's strange, because the original chain isn't stamped Stihl either. Eh? Oh, it is. It's just, you can just see it. Yeah, it's just, and we're getting it close enough and focus. Just in there, look. Stihl. Nice and sharp. Let's see if we can do the tap, tap, tap. Okay. It's come undone. Ah, see that goes right down over them there, like that. Better up there perhaps. Yeah. I'll try the big number first. And so check the bottom links are grounded. This could be where you lose a finger or two. Put the chain on there. Oh. Put on the other one. The man said. Right, it's coming on. Just a touch more perhaps. You think of that? Not going to go anywhere with that thing. I'll show you. There we are. Not bad, not bad. Just going to test it. Right, I've just offered it up. There's our join. Yeah. Just got to put the two ends together now. You can't even tell which one I've done. That one, I think. Could always give it a little bit more, but I think it's fine. Oh no, it's not. Yeah, it's that one there. Yeah. It's not going to go anywhere. I'll just pull this up onto the bar. It's on the. This bar's got two holes in. Not seen one like that, so you can have it closer or further apart. And we've shown you the numbers before, but I don't know what any of them are. Let's see. Anybody know them? It's a way back bar, I think. Right, I'll just tighten this up. Right, I know I've got the chain on back to front, but that will not matter. There's our join. There it is there. Just got to finish off that one, but there's plenty of room to pull it. Not bad out of an old. Well, it's not an old chain. It's a chain that come with the saw, and it jumped the bar. Got wedged in somewhere, and done some of the drive links in at the bottom. It wouldn't go in the bar, so I just cut a piece out, ground it out, round the heads off. Had a look on eBay how to do it, not eBay, YouTube how to do it. And there was a chap on there with the ball peen hammer. Tap, 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 tap. No problem. I'll just join this up now. Lost my specs. On my second pair of specs. So you have to make do when you're off grid. I don't think it'd be a good thing to put a clip link in like you do with bicycle chains. Yeah. A little bit more. Maybe just flatten them with the flat end. That's better. Let's draw them down a bit there. The wooden pennies. Would you fire to tell which one's the one I've done? Yeah, it's where is it? I don't know. That one there. The last one anyway. Yeah. That's not bad, I don't think. I don't think that's bad. This is another little touch. Push your fingers. There's the other one. The other one's there. You see it? Yep. I'm trying to keep my fingers out of the way and do it at the same time. I'm going to give it a bit of a flattening. It seems to spread them a bit more. But the man says not to get them too tight, otherwise I won't. There's the other one. Right, I'm just going to pop it onto the saw. The right way this time. Won't be any shorter. You wouldn't have thought, would you? Yeah? Yeah? No? Let's say hello to all my new subscribers and commenters. Let's just say. I'm trying not to hit the camera. Turn it back in a bit. Oh, I've gone the wrong way. No, I haven't. There we go. You're still looking? Still see? Still see? Is that still or still? Bit tight. I see. Sounds good. Over here. Right, I can't see anything wrong in there. Chain's running alright on the... There is a lot of wear on the splines. I don't know whether it's... Try it again. Right, I can't see any jump in the chain now. I'll just tighten it up. Right, I don't know what that was. It seems to be okay now. So there you go. If you're stuck and you've got the links, you just need a little bit of planishing with hammering and get you out of a situation. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See what comes on, see what we find out next.